Welcome, future millionaires, to Personal Finance with Professor X. Today, we're going to teach you how to calculate your net worth in 3 easy steps.
Future millionaires? I'm so far in the debt ditch, I don't even see that being feasible.
Well, I mean, most people aren't millionaires, but you've got to start somewhere. And if you calculate your net worth, then you can be on your road to maybe someday becoming a millionaire.
So how do I calculate my net worth?
Well, 3 easy steps. Step 1, gather all of your statements for your assets, the things you own, and your liabilities, debts that you owe people, right? So gather up all that information. A lot of it's probably online these days. Step 2, wait, did you want to say something?
So like my car?
Your car, yep, if you own your car, not lease.
Student
loans, that's a debt, that would be something you owe.
Okay.
Yep, so those are perfect examples. So gather all of your assets, all of your liabilities, all the things you own, right? That's step 2. Step 2 is figuring out how much they are, right? Calculating how much you owe Discover card, if you have a Discover card, right? Calculating how much you owe in student loans. And then step 3 is subtracting the things you owe from the things you own. And what's left over is your net worth.
Okay.
Simple, right?
Yes, I'm going to calculate my net worth.
So just to kind of drive the point home, right? If I bought this pizza for $10 and it has 6 yummy slices of pineapple, which I know is a very controversial topping. Do you like pineapple?
It's not my favorite.
It's not her favorite, but it's mine. So you have these 6 pieces. Let's say I owe Terry 3 of them, even though she doesn't like pineapple. I don't own 6 slices of pizza. I only own 3. That's my net pizza worth for this example. But the road to becoming a millionaire is not common. I think only about 4 or 5% of US households are actually millionaires, right? And the average net worth of your typical US household is about $100,000. That number, sadly, is even less for families that come from different backgrounds because of things like systemic racism. If you're a Latinx family or Black family in the United States, your net worth is much lower than that of a comparable white family, which is kind of a bummer.
Yeah, it's really sad.
But as I said, on the road to really growing and sustaining your net worth, the first step is to get on that scale and to calculate your net worth in those 3 easy steps. Gather the information, calculate the value of your assets, calculate the value of your liabilities, and subtract. And there's your net worth.
Yep. And I've calculated my net worth. I am worth $7.
Well, Terry was mildly surprised, or maybe not surprised, by her net worth. So use the tool that we gave you, calculate yours, and if you have any questions, or if something about it surprised you, comment below, tell us about it, and we'll help you get to the bottom of it. Then interrupt me. Then maybe like this. Go like this. Like you physically.
Yeah. Like,
whoa.
No.
Okay. Good point.
The kid in the class who raises their hand and is like, no.
That happens all the time. Cool.
Okay.
Ready for one more take?